An estimated 20% of all meat produced globally is lost or wasted, much of it before it ever leaves the factory, eroded by inconsistency, unstructured processes, and inefficiencies hiding in plain sight on the production floor. For over 60 years, one multi-site food manufacturer has built its answer to that challenge across 15 production sites, more than 2,500 employees, and a portfolio sold in 66 countries, from cooked and cured meats to fresh products and plant-based lines. As the company scaled, so did the complexity. With plants operating at different rhythms and standards, the ambition was clear: bring every site under a single, unified improvement system, without dismantling what already worked. The answer was a partnership with Kaizen Institute. The program rolled out site by site, starting with 5S and standardization as the foundation, then layering in value stream analysis, a tiered meeting structure connecting operators to plant managers, and a company-wide improvement ideas program that put every worker inside the system. To embed the methodology for the long term, the company launched an in-house continuous improvement academy, providing structured training across all levels, from basic foundations to advanced workshops in TPM, SAMED, and 5S. Impact was real and lasting. The program monetized €25 million in improvements, with over half still active in daily operations. One plant absorbed a 30% production surge without disruption, supported by cross-training matrices and structured meeting routines. A VSA diagnostic at a single plant uncovered €800,000 in improvement opportunities, nearly all implemented within the year, while waste and productivity gains of 12 to 15% were recorded in the frozen section alone. The workforce submitted more than 1,100 improvement ideas, and plants that hadn't yet joined the program began requesting access. 60 years of growth, now backed by a system built to sustain it.